In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add colored volume bars indicator in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, color-coded volume display that's much easier to read than the default bars, and you'll know exactly where to find it and how to customize it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you like. The steps are the same. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits along the main toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for anything you want to add to your chart. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is where we're going to look up the colored volume bars indicator. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. If you don't see it right away, you might need to resize the window or scroll a bit, but it's always at the top section of the Indicators panel. Now, in the search bar, start typing colored volume bars. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see an indicator with that name, or something very close to it, appear in the list. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, and you'll notice your volume bars at the bottom change to a color-coded style based on the indicator's logic. Once the indicator is on your chart, let's adjust it to your preferences. On the chart, move your mouse over the name of the colored volume bars indicator, which usually appears just above the volume pane at the bottom. You'll see a small gear icon which opens the settings. Click on that settings icon. This brings up a window where you can change things like the bar colors, line thickness, and other visual options. Take a moment to explore these settings and tweak them so they match your chart style and are easy on your eyes. You can always come back later and adjust them again. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience, use the sign up link I've placed in the video description. That link will take you straight to the TradingView Pro sign up page, so you can get started quickly and follow along with all my future tutorials using the same setup.